Hello everybody. We are going to begin a new lesson of chemistry and it's called protons transfer reactions. We also call it acid and alkaline reactions. We are going to dedicate this lesson to the students of the fourth course of secondary. We will also study this on the first and the second course in baccalaureate, but now we are going to begin with the first concepts. We are going to see what is an acid, what is an alkaline, what is the difference between both of them, and we can work in the laboratory to see different substances. First of all, we are going the difference between acid and alkalines. Acid is a compound that produce protons, and alkaline is a compound which produce hydroxyl ions. As you can find in a lot of works, acid is a compound that tastes sour. Alkaline is a compound which taste is bitter. If I were you, I won't taste any of them because you can lose your tongue. So I prefer to give you another description. We will see there are strong and weak acid and strong and weak alkalines too. We use a scale from 1 to 14 to see if a substance is an acid or is an alkaline. We say an acid has got a pH from 1 to 7 and an alkaline has a pH from 7 to 14. We can see here, for example, water has got pH 7, but ammonium has got an alkaline pH, and beer, for example, has an acid pH. We can find an interesting process when we mix an acid and an alkaline. We get salt and water. We are involved in our everyday with a lot of substance, acid and basic, and maybe we don't know. For example, in our stomachs we have got hydrochloric acid that help us to make the digestion of the food we have. Some industries waste a lot of acid and it can be a problem in our environment. For example, the bees and the wasp, they inject us some acid or some alkaline substance when we have a problem with them. We use a special paper to see if a substance is an acid or an alkaline. This paper changes the color depending on the pH, so we can find a strong red, we can find orange, yellowish, green, dark blue, depending on the compound we put on this paper. And so we could see what happened with lemon juice, with milk, with water with soap, or with ammonium from our houses. We can see our lemon juice or orange juice has got a pH under 7. is a strong acid. Milk is an acid too. It has a pH nearly 7, but is under 7. If we see the pH of water with soap, we will see it's over 7, so it's an alkaline. And if we see ammonia, it's also an important alkaline. Finally, we will say acid and alkaline are very, very important in our everyday, in the industry, in all the life, as I told you before, in our digestion, in the product we use to clean, in the feeding, in the environment. Remember the acid rain, which destroys and deteriorates all the environment. So we have to take care about this. This is a rubric to evaluate your knowledge, and that's all. I hope you like it as I do. Thank you very much.